In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has transformed the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. As a business owner or marketer, leveraging the power of social media is crucial for success. However, with millions of businesses vying for attention on these platforms, how can you stand out from the crowd? The answer lies in influencer marketing, a game-changing strategy that can revolutionize your social media presence. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing involves partnering with influential individuals who have a significant following on social media platforms. These individuals, known as influencers, have built trust and credibility among their audience through their expertise and engaging content. By collaborating with influencers relevant to your industry or niche, you can tap into their existing fan base to promote your products or services. Why should you consider influencer marketing? Reach a wider audience. One of the biggest advantages of influencer marketing is its ability to amplify your brand message to a larger audience. Influencers have already established a loyal following who trust their recommendations and opinions. By partnering with them, you gain access to this engaged audience that may be otherwise difficult to reach. Build credibility and trust. Consumers are becoming increasingly skeptical of traditional advertising methods such as banner ads or sponsored posts. They crave authenticity and genuine recommendations from people they admire or relate to. Working with influencers allows you to leverage their credibility and build trust among potential customers. Increase brand awareness. In today's saturated marketplaces, it's essential for businesses to cut through the noise and make an impact in consumers' minds. Influencers help create buzz around your brand by showcasing it in an organic way within their content, whether it's through product reviews, tutorials, or simply incorporating your brand into their daily lives. Drive targeted traffic. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, influencer marketing enables you to target specific demographics or niches. By partnering with influencers who align with your brand values and target audience, you can ensure that your message reaches the right people, those who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. How can you implement an effective influencer marketing strategy? Define your objectives. Before diving into influencer marketing, it's crucial to identify your goals and objectives. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or promote a new product? Having clear objectives will help guide your strategy and measure its success. Find the right influencers. Research is key when it comes to finding the perfect influencers for your brand. Look for individuals whose values align with yours and who have an engaged following in your target market. Tools like BuzzSumo or Social Blade can help identify relevant influencers based on their reach, engagement rates, and content quality. Build authentic relationships. Successful influencer partnerships are built on trust and authenticity. Take the time to build genuine relationships with influencers by engaging with their content, sharing their posts, or even collaborating on non-promotional projects before pitching a partnership. Create compelling content. Once you've identified the right influencers for your campaign, work closely with them to create engaging content that resonates with their audience while promoting your brand organically. Remember that overly promotional posts may come across as inauthentic and could harm both the influencer's credibility and your brand reputation. Track results and optimize. As with any marketing strategy, tracking results is essential for measuring success and optimizing future campaigns. Monitor key metrics such as reach, engagement rates, website traffic generated from influencer posts, or direct sales attributed to these collaborations. In conclusion, influencer marketing has revolutionized social media by providing businesses with a powerful tool to connect directly with their target audience through trusted voices within their niche communities. By leveraging the reach and credibility of influencers, brands can increase their visibility, build trust, and drive targeted traffic to their products or services. Remember to define your objectives, find the right influencers, build authentic relationships, create compelling content, and track results for a successful influencer marketing campaign. Don't miss out on this game-changing strategy. Revolutionize your social media game with influencer marketing today.